Welcome everybody to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I am doing the Masquerade Advent Calendar opening for day 21. Now I'm recording this on Monday because, as you all know, Tuesday is a very busy day, what with my dad and doing jobs and that, and I don't know when I would actually get home to do it, so I thought, as I did it last week, I'm going to do it again this week. I'm going to record day 21 on Monday, but it'll go live Tuesday, which is when you'll be watching it, so I hope you don't mind. So we're on to day 21. Oh, we've got a little candy cane and it's a little orange bag. So yesterday we've been going through all the greens this past few days, past 4 days we've had greens. So I'm thinking it might be blues this time. So let's see what we've got. Oh, I was right, guys. It's leading on to the blues. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. Pretty. So I want yesterday's just so I can show you how it'll lead on to that. Not pretty, because there's some of this green in here, which is what I like. So it's going to be a nice crochet shawl when I finally get the knitted one finished. But yeah, I'm liking that, guys, liking it very much. So I've kind of gone through. So this is where we started here, and then this was day 2, and this was day 3, and this is day 4. So I think we're going to be ending on the blues, guys. So yay! So it's been a fun. So I will see you all again for day 22. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.